Hey, good morning, guys. I'm meteorologist Kevin G. And today we could see a few passing showers pretty much from about 11 a.m. through about 8 p.m. So daytime passing showers possible. Low chance of a thunderstorm, but can't completely rule that out today. It's a very different setup from yesterday, so if we do get a thunderstorm, it should not be severe. So mainly just passing rain showers through the day today, and then we'll have drier weather still for your Friday night plans. So it's just through noon, you get to the afternoon, you see a lot of spotty showers and a lot of green dots on the map going through the afternoon into the evening, and it moves out to the east later on tonight. So 78 degrees with passing showers, winds will be out of the west 5 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight then, clearing skies with lows around 59 degrees. Saturday, partly sunny and just a low chance of a shower during the daytime. Highs will be around 78 degrees. And then Sunday will be partly sunny with highs around 80. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, the chance of rain gradually going back up, but temperatures not bad, just below average into early next week with highs near 80.